Hello everyone, welcome back to the Opulent Life. This is Ozzy here again with a very special unboxing, and this video was made possible by Blacklistwatches, who have sent out this wonderful gift to me. If you guys may remember, a few months ago I made a video about the Rothwell watch box, which I'm using to garner my new collection of watches, and it has been a very good watch box so far. It was in tan brown, it has 12 watch slots, and it has some accessory holding places as well, and I've been using it and I really liked it. I made a video of it. Looks like you guys enjoyed it. Looks like the owners of the Rothwell watch box, Blacklistwatches, actually liked it as well, and they decided to send me this travel case as an accessory for my watches when I'm traveling, because obviously I cannot carry that 12 watch box with me everywhere, so it will be holding 2 watches for me. Let's open it up and see how it is. By the way guys, before we unbox, quick wristwatch check. Today I'm wearing the Omega Seamaster 300. Loving this, coming towards the weekend, so enjoying with a casual twist on the wrist. Alright, so let's take out the packaging. Here it is, all bubble wrapped up. Same company, Rothwell. I'll show you guys in a second. So this is the outer box of the Rothwell travel watch case. It came inside this bubble wrap. It's nicely wrapped up and packaged and sent to me. So this is just the outer casing. It has the serial number on it, Rothwell written on it, San Francisco. They're based out of California, guys, so that's why that's written. But the owner is actually Blacklistwatches. So it's very nicely wrapped up. Let's see what's inside. Alright, so once we open it up, we have this kind of card holder as a 1-year limited warranty by Rothwell. So if anything goes wrong, you can just ship it back to them and they'll be able to fix it out or replace it. So it's very nicely finished and black leather all across. Very nice graining. It has the Rothwell logo embossed at the bottom, and all across it looks like it's very well made, very solid feeling. Zipper action. Let's open it up. Alright, so it's got a red interior and a black exterior, just like a sports car, and has these same soft velvet watch rolls to keep your watches in. There's 2 slots here that can fit up to a 55mm diameter watch. I don't know if you guys have watches larger than that. I don't even know if there's a watch actually that could be larger than that, but these are perfect for like traveling, so you can keep one formal watch with a strap or one sports watch, a dive watch, and so those will be your 2 travel companions. And then if you open this part up, you will see that this has an accessory holder. And alright, so this can be used for your straps and bracelets. This can be your accessory or jewelry compartment. This can be used for cufflinks and rings. So basically it's a one-stop shop for all your accessories and jewelry needs when you're traveling. So your watches here, straps here, accessories here, cufflinks here, rings here. I don't know what else you guys wear, but that pretty much covers it up. If you have like pendants or earrings, you can fit those in here as well. And very nice that they have separated this from the watch. They put this additional cover here so that when you close it, it doesn't like scratch your watch or anything or misplaces your items. So you have this touch button, securely locks it in place, and you're all set to travel. So guys, I chose the black and red combination, but it comes in other combinations as well. You can have the tan brown version, you can have the black and gray version, and all those options are there on the Blacklist website. Do check it out. So the retail on this box is $34.95 on their website. Do check it out. I think it's a very reasonable price, and I cannot think of any better watch case that can fit 2 of your watches and your accessories together, and can fit easily inside a suitcase, briefcase, or any luggage that you're carrying with you through the airport. This is a very convenient and secure way of keeping your watches. I highly recommend it. I really like it. I think I'm going to be using this a lot, and a very special thanks to Blacklistwatches for sending this to me as a gift. Guys, do check out their website. They have some great accessories for watches, and they even have some great watches as well, which I might be reviewing sometime later. So take a look at that. Let me know what you guys think. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.